Missing sides of this floor plan that have now been found are indicated by being written in red pen. To get the missing side of my triangle at D, I use the Pythagoras theorem. To get my missing side for my triangle at C, I use the Pythagoras theorem again. In order to get my missing side 18, I added the given measurements 4 with 5 with 3 with 6, which resulted in 18 centimeters. To get my missing side 12, I looked at the point in which 3 centimeters and 12 centimeters meet. And I realized that this point lies in between, or at the midpoint of 4, and that the distance between the midpoint and this point is 2. I then took my given 10 and added with the 2, which is from the midpoint. Then I realized that it's actually the same length when comparing the two sides. So that's how I concluded that this is 12 centimeters. To calculate the perimeter, I had to add all of the sides. The total perimeter that I got is 92 centimeters. To find the area of this floor plan, I split the floor plan into different shapes. I used A equals to S squared for the square. I used area equals to length times width for the 3 rectangles, and I used area equals to half base times height for these 2 triangles. I added all of the areas together, and the total area that I got is 190 centimeters squared. I was then instructed to find the length and the width of an A4 page. I measured my A4 paper or page, and the total area that I got is 601.52 centimeters squared. I was then requested to calculate area that is left if the floor plan was to be cut out of this A4 page. I took my total area, I named it A1, with the area of the A4 page A2. Now the area that was left, took my A2 and I subtracted my A1. Total area is 411.52 centimeters squared. Shapes SFT and ABC. I had to transform them into nets so I can calculate the surface area. The surface area formula that I used is SA equals to length times width. Final answer is 588 centimeters squared. To calculate the volume, I used V equals to length times width times height. Final answer is 864 centimeter cubed. For the shape at ABC, I was told that ABC was shrunk to a quarter in measurement of each side of the shape SFT. So I subtracted a quarter, 0.25 from each side of SFT in order for me to get my measurements of shape ABC. The surface area formula that I used is SA equals to length times width. Answer that I got is 587.36 centimeters squared. To get the volume of the same shape, I used volume equals to length times width times height. Final answer is 796.42 centimeter cubed.